However, today I'm doing BMW Beamer solid 2015 model, brown leather interior, tear rubber, and Kansu Krada. I'm the first getting it in Sub-Sahara Ghana. Yes, and yes, I'll do you the honor. You'll be the first woman to have a ride with me in my BMW. You're riding in the company of the only boss. Thank you.
You?
Yes.
BM?
Oh, yes, of course. Don't worry. It's fully fueled, chauffeur driven. I don't even hold the steer. I'll send you anywhere you want to go, okay? BMW.
Chauffeur?
Yes! Thank you. Okay?
Calibers?
Yes.
Do you think I don't know you?
You know me, Bosuba. Listen. Oh, but hey.